Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Gautam drove 52.3476 km to visit his grandmother. When he reached his grandmother's house, he noticed that the car had used up 4.44 liters of petrol. How many kilometers did he travel per liter of the petrol? So, total distance traveled is equal to 52.3476 kilometers. Total petrol used up is equal to 4.44 liters. Now kilometers per liter of petrol can be calculated by simply dividing these two. 52.3476 divided by 4.44 kilometer per liters. So to do that, what we'll do, we simply first remove the decimal point from denominator. To do that, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So we get 5234.76 divided by 444, again kilometer per liter. Now let's divide this. Both numerator and denominator can be divided by 4. So what we have is 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 zeros are 0 and 34 is remaining, 4 eights are 32. Decimal point 2 is remaining, 2 7 4 6 are 24, 3 is remaining, 4 nines are 36 divided by 111. Now if we look at it, both numerator and denominator can be divided by 3. So we have 3 fours are 12, 1 remains, 1 0, 3 threes are 9, 1 remains, 1 8, 3 6 are 18, decimal point, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 threes are 9, 2 remains, 3 sevens are 21. Now we will perform this division. 436.23 is divided by 37. So let's start with 37 ones are, we are left with 13 minus 7 is 6 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So this 6 comes down. We have 6 here, 66. Now 37 twos are, we have 74. So again 37 ones are 37. 16 minus 7 is 9 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So we have 29 here. 2 will come down here and this decimal point will go in here on quotient. So let's see, let's try 37 multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are 49, 7 threes are 21 plus 4 is 25, 259. And let's try 37 multiplied by 8. 8 sevens are 56, 8 threes are 24 plus 5 is 29. This is just larger than 292, so we'll have to use 37 sevens are minus 259. So 12 minus 9 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3 and 2 minus 2 0. Now this 3 comes down here and 37 threes are, we know, is 111. So 111 threes I will get 333. So 37 nines are, it must be 333 and this is completely divided. So let's remove these and we are left with this equal to 11.79 kilometer per liter. So this is how many kilometers he traveled per liter of petrol. This is the answer.